Your credit score is a 3-digit number that indicates your credit worthiness to lenders. Now, there are many factors that can influence your credit score, and we'd like to thank Alisa Aragon-Llyod for her contribution in this video. Thanks to her, we can provide you with valuable information on financial literacy. In this video, we share 5 easy steps to improve your credit score. Step number 1. Learn the factors that go into determining your credit score. Specifically, there are 5 aspects to consider. The first is payment history. Having a positive payment history means that you have consistently paid your bills on time each month. On the other hand, you'll lose points if you have late payment, collections, a foreclosure, or a judgment on your report. Next is utilization. Utilization is a term for the balances you have on each credit card. So try to keep your credit card debt to a minimum, which means only using half of your available credit. Paying down your balances is one of the quickest ways to increase your credit score in a short period of time. Third is history. You get points every year that you have a positive trade line open. Fourth is inquiries. Now, if you have too many inquiries into your credit score, your credit report will go down. Inquiries stay on your report for 2 years, but they stop deducting points for those inquiries after 1 year. Finally, we have mixed credit. Mixed credit is a term for the different kinds of credit like mortgages, car loans, credit cards, and student loans. Using different kinds of credit will help increase your credit score. Step number 2, understand timelines. Focus on keeping a good credit history by making payments on time and not opening too many new lines of credit at once. Your credit score can also go up if you have a variety of credit accounts like a mortgage, a car loan, and a credit card. This shows you can handle different types of credit responsibly. Now, before we move on to the next half of this video, if you want to see more videos that teach you about money and real estate in Canada, you can subscribe to our channel here at NextHome. Step 3. Quickly build credit history. There are a couple ways you can do this, and you can start by applying for 1 or 2 credit cards. Now, if you're having trouble being approved for a credit card, a secured card may be your best option. Secured credit cards require a small savings account that usually covers the entire credit limit on your new card. Make all of your regular purchases with a credit card instead of cash or a debit card. Use it as a payment method rather than a type of financing. Pay the full balance at the end of the month to build your credit and avoid paying interest. Always pay your other bills on time like electricity, rent, and especially your cell phone. Cell phone companies inform credit bureaus about your cell phone bill, so make sure you pay it on time. Step 4, improve your credit score after you've built a credit history. Get your loan and credit card debt paid off immediately. Now, if you wish to get rid of some of your debt, consider debt consolidation. Make timely payments on all your loans and credit cards. If you don't pay a $10 bill on time, it will hurt your credit just as much as you didn't pay a $1,000 bill. Credit is based on trust, no matter how much it is. And finally, never go over your credit limit. Lastly, step 5, if you plan on buying a house or taking out a loan, just remember these helpful tips. Check your credit report a few months before applying. Staying below 65% of your limit will help you keep a higher credit score. Settle any past due bills. Late payments hurt your score the most, so pay off these bills first. Don't close any credit cards unless you have no self-control, and don't apply for credit you don't need. Talk to a mortgage expert if you have any questions about your credit score. They'll be happy to help. So that's it for the 5 easy steps to improve your credit score. We hope you found this info useful, and if you did, consider liking this video and leaving a comment below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel NextHome for real estate and lifestyle content across Canada. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.